Demystifying motionless, standing still in English. Hello dear learners. Today, we'll dive into the meaning and usage of the word motionless. If you've ever been curious about this word or wondered how to use it correctly, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. The word motionless is an adjective. At its core, motionless combines two parts, motion and less. Motion refers to movement or action, and the suffix less means without. So, when combined, motionless literally means without motion or without movement. Understanding a word is easier when we see it in action. Let's explore some examples. 1. The cat sat motionless on the windowsill, watching the birds outside. 2. He was so shocked by the news that he stood motionless for a few minutes. 3. The lake was calm and motionless under the moonlight. From these examples, we can see that motionless describes something or someone that is not moving at all. Knowing synonyms can expand your vocabulary. Some synonyms for motionless are still, like a still photograph where nothing is moving. Stationary, something that is in a fixed place and not moving. Immobile, unable to move or not moving. Static, lacking movement or change. Each of these words can be used in similar contexts, but they might have slight differences in meaning or usage. It's always a good idea to check them in sentences or context to understand them fully. Motionless is versatile and can be used in various scenarios. 1. Describing nature. The trees were motionless on a windless day. 2. Narrating suspenseful moments. She waited motionlessly, hoping not to be seen. 3. Art and photography. The model remained motionless during the long photo shoot. And there we have it. We've unlocked the meaning, usage, and synonyms of the word motionless. Remember, the beauty of language is in its richness and depth. The more words you know, the more vividly you can express yourself. We hope this video helped clarify the term motionless for you. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the wonders of the English language.